Welcome to the Deep Dive. Today we're exploring a new blog post by Mr. Len Kaplan, CEO of CDML, that's an MSP in Queens, NY.
Right. They handle a whole range of IT stuff, network management, VoIP, that's VoIP, your phone systems.
And UCAS, Cybersecurity Compliance, IAS, Cloud Solutions, basically the works, especially around Microsoft 365 and Azure.
Exactly. So Len Kaplan definitely knows his stuff in this area.
And this deep dive is really for you if you're a small business owner or maybe you manage IT for a growing company.
Yeah, because AI, it's not just a buzzword anymore, is it?
Not at all. It's getting baked into the tools we use every single day. So we want to unpack what that actually means for your business right now.
Absolutely. And this isn't just about the tech specs, it's about the practical side. How does this stuff actually help a business operate better? That's the key.
Okay, so let's dive in. The article, Copilot PCs and AI-ready hardware, why the upgrade matters for your business. It stresses that this isn't just about making things faster.
Right. It's more than speed.
Yeah.
It's about unlocking new ways to be productive, creative, even more secure.
So what is it then? What makes a Copilot PC or this AI-ready hardware different from the computers we've been using? What's under the hood?
Well, the big difference is these specialized neural processing units, or NPUs.
NPUs, okay.
Yeah, you'll find them in the latest chips from like Intel, AMD, Qualcomm. All the big players are doing it now.
So it's a specific part of the chip.
Exactly. Think of it like a coprocessor that's designed just for AI tasks. Before NPUs, AI stuff either had to go to the cloud, which takes time.
And bandwidth.
Right. Or it would really slow down your main processor, the CPU, or even the graphics card, the GPU.
Ah, okay. So the NPU takes that load off. It's like a dedicated little AI brain right on the device.
That's a great way to put it. And that has some pretty significant benefits. First off, speed and responsiveness.
Right.
AI features, like Microsoft Copilot popping up suggestions or real-time transcription in a meeting. It happens instantly. No lag.
Wow. Okay. Live transcription without delay sounds pretty useful.
It really is. Then there's efficiency. Because the NPU is handling the AI, your main CPU and GPU are free to do everything else, so your whole system feels faster.
Makes sense. What else?
Security. This is a big one for businesses.
How so?
Well, if you're doing something like summarizing a confidential document or transcribing a sensitive meeting, the NPU can often do that locally.
Meaning the data doesn't have to leave the computer.
Exactly. It stays on the device, out of the cloud, much more secure for proprietary information.
That's huge. And you mentioned one more.
Yeah, battery life, especially for laptops. Running AI on a specialized, efficient NPU uses less power than making the main CPU or GPU do it.
So your laptop lasts longer when you're out and about. Great for remote teams.
Definitely. It all adds up to a better experience.
Okay, so we've got the how, the NPU. But let's talk about this so what for a business owner. Where does this actually show up in daily workflows? What gets better?
Right, the practical stuff. The blog post gives some great examples. Meeting productivity is a big one.
You mentioned transcription.
Yeah, imagine walking out of a meeting and boom, you've got a summary, key decisions highlighted, action items listed, all generated automatically, locally. Your team can actually participate instead of just taking notes.
That alone sounds like a game changer. What else?
Content creation. Things like drafting emails, proposals, marketing copy. Copilot integrated right there means you get suggestions, drafts, refinements much faster.
So less staring at a blank page.
Pretty much. And data analysis. Think spreadsheets. AI built into Microsoft 365 apps can process data faster, sure, but also spot trends or anomalies you might miss.
Okay, speeding up analysis. Useful.
Definitely. And security monitoring, too. AI running locally can help spot weird behavior on a device, maybe flag a potential threat quicker than waiting for a cloud scan.
Interesting. Local threat detection.
And finally, accessibility, real-time translation, speech to text. These things make collaboration easier across language barriers or for employees maybe with hearing or vision challenges.
So it's productivity, security, and even inclusivity.
It touches a lot of areas, yeah. These aren't just theoretical things anymore. They're becoming standard features.
Now, here's something from the article that I think confuses a lot of people. Will getting one of these new AI-ready PCs make my ChatGPT queries faster? Or, Grok or Claude?
Ah, that's a really important distinction. And the short answer is no.
No. Okay. Why not?
Because services like ChatGPT, Grok, Claude, they run in the cloud. Their speed depends on their servers and your internet connection. Your local PC hardware doesn't really change that.
Right. It's like having a faster car doesn't make the highway less congested.
Exactly.
Right.
What the Copilot PC does speed up are the AI tasks running directly on the device.
Like the examples you just gave.
Precisely. Microsoft 365 Copilot features in Word, Excel, Outlook. That live transcription and translation we talked about. Maybe some image or video enhancements your software does locally. Security checks.
So it's about local AI speed versus cloud AI speed.
You got it. Cloud AI speed, Internet Plus provider, local AI speed equals your NPU. That's where these Copilot PCs shine.
Okay, that clarifies things.
Yep.
Now, the article also mentions graphics cards, GPUs from NVIDIA and AMD being AI ready.
How do they fit in? Is this something a typical small business needs to worry about?
Right, GPUs. They're also super important for AI, but kind of for different reasons than NPUs.
Okay.
GPUs are all about massive parallel processing. They have thousands of tiny cores that can work on problems simultaneously. This makes them amazing for really big, complex AI models.
Bigger than what the NPU handled.
Oh yeah, think training large models or running sophisticated AI locally that needs a ton of horsepower.
So what would a small business use that for? It sounds more like data center stuff.
It can be, but there are SMB use cases. One big one is local AI model hosting, meaning running your own AI, like a private chat GPT.
Sort of, yeah. Using tools like LM Studio, Ollama, Private GPT. You can run language models right on a PC with a powerful GPU. This is huge for privacy if you're dealing with really sensitive data, no cloud involved.
Okay. Total data control. Like for legal or medical maybe, where IP compliance is critical.
Exactly. Or for creative workflows, video editing, graphic design, AI image generation, a good GPU makes that stuff fly, reduces rendering times dramatically.
Makes sense for creative agencies then.
For sure. And maybe some R&D if a company is experimenting with custom AI without wanting huge cloud bills.
Yeah.
But there are downsides for SMBs.
Like what?
Power consumption, for one. High-end GPUs need a lot of electricity and serious cooling. Not always practical in a standard office.
And cost, I imagine.
Oh, yeah. Those enterprise AI cards like the NVIDIA RTX 6000 or the really big A100s or H100s, they're very expensive, often total overkill unless you have those specific heavy-duty needs.
So for most businesses just using Office, email, typical productivity stuff,
Yeah.
the NPU is probably the better bet.
Generally, yes. The NPU in a Copilot PC delivers more practical, everyday benefits for that kind of workload.
Okay, let's crystallize this for someone listening. They're running a business, thinking about upgrading hardware.
Mm-hmm.
NPU versus GPU. How do they decide? What's the simple breakdown?
Okay, let's break it down based on the article. A Copilot PC with an NPU. This is best for your everyday work. Microsoft 365 Copilot, email, general tasks.
The standard Office stuff.
Right. The speed gains are in things like faster transcription, translation, Office Copilot features running locally, big win for privacy, keeping meeting notes and summaries on the device.
And it's power efficient. Good for laptops.
Yep. Low power use, longer battery life, and the cost. It's usually just part of buying a modern business laptop or desktop now. It's becoming standard.
So who should get this?
Any SMB heavily using Microsoft 365 focused on daily productivity, collaboration, email. This is probably your best bet for immediate practical improvements.
Okay, now the other side. The PC with a powerful NVIDIA or AMD GPU.
Right. This is for more advanced AI stuff. Running those local language models we talked about. Heavy creative work, like video or complex design.
For the power users.
Exactly. Speed gains are in training AI models, faster rendering, image generation. Privacy-wise, you get that ability to run custom LLMs completely in-house using tools like LM Studio, Ollama, GPT-4All, Private GPT.
Keeping sensitive data totally locked down.
Correct. But remember the trade-offs: high power usage, needs good cooling, higher electricity bills, and the upfront cost is significant, especially for the really powerful GPUs.
So who needs this path?
Businesses doing specific AI research, creative studios, industries like legal or healthcare with extreme privacy needs for handling things like high PA-protected data locally.
Got it. So NPU for broad productivity gains, GPU for specialized heavy-duty local AI or creative work.
That's a good summary. NPUs make the daily grind smoother. GPUs unlock power for the big, complex tasks.
So knowing all that, why the urgency? The article title says, why the upgrade matters now? Why is this something business owners need to think about immediately?
Well, it's about staying competitive, really. AI isn't just an add-on anymore. It's getting deeply woven into core tools like Microsoft 365.
So older machines will start to struggle.
They'll struggle to run these new features efficiently or maybe at all. Businesses that upgrade now gain an edge. Their employees spend less time fighting lag or doing repetitive tasks AI can handle.
And more time on work that actually requires human thinking and strategy.
Exactly. Think about the cumulative time saved across a team when meeting summaries are instant or email drafts get a huge head start. It adds up fast. The article mentions CDML, the author's company, helps businesses navigate this picking hardware, securing the environment. It's about positioning yourself to benefit, not getting left behind.
Future-proofing, essentially.
What? And empowering your team.
So the core takeaway for you, our listener, seems clear. Understanding this NPU versus GPU difference is really key to making smart choices about AI in your business, both for getting more done and keeping things secure. And maybe a final thought to chew on. As these AI tools keep getting better, just how much time could you or your team get back by having the right hardware now? What could you do with that freed up focus?
It's definitely worth considering. Making informed tech decisions now really pays off down the road.
Couldn't agree more. If you found this deep dive helpful, please do click that thumbs up button. It helps others find it.
Stay informed, stay strategic.
Till next time.